Hi everyone, William here from Smartest Data. So this is for the week, the 5th of June. US stock markets continue to build on multi-month highs despite words to the contrary. A recession seems a distant event. The S&P 500 closed up 1.45% on Friday, the QQQ closed up 0.73%, and for the week the S&P 500 was up 2.7% and the NASDAQ 100 3.4%. As the saying goes, stocks lead earnings and earnings lead the economy. Thus the stock markets are looking way beyond any potential recession, even if it does occur, and I doubt whether it's going to occur. So it'd have to be a very brave investor to bet against the US stocks at this point in time. The graphs are supplied by BARCHART, so take a look at the affiliate link in the comments section below. So as I mentioned, despite continued predictions about a possible recession, the US stock markets continue to move higher. Yes, it's a very concentrated market now with what's been coined the Magnificent Seven. They're up on the screen now, but Apple, Nvidia, the AI boom is starting to take shape. These stocks are dominating the increase in the market caps of the Magnificent Seven years to date. So more on this a little bit later. The week closed with the S&P 500 at a 9-month high and the NASDAQ 100 is approaching a 14-month high. Look, as far as I'm concerned, a recession is a long way off, even if it does occur. The US economy remains strong. The main non-farm payrolls increased 339,000 above expectations. In May, the average hourly earnings eased a little bit to a year-on-year increase of 4.3%. The question is, how will this impact the Fed? The market expects a 25 basis point hike at the June meeting of the FOMC. So the week ahead, the focus this week will be on OPEC Plus as it deals with the divided oil market, and also back to the Magnificent Seven with Apple. There'll be a range of new Apple products being debuted at the Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference. So some stock ideas. Dish Network finished up more than 16%. Amazon announced that it's in talks to sell mobile phone services via its US Prime subscribers. Also, Lululemon Athletica finished up more than 11%. The group posted Q1 net revenue that exceeded expectation, and management upgraded its forthcoming revenue targets. There is continued momentum behind the stock markets. Key technical studies on the S&P 500 graph are indicating an overbought. These are the Bollinger Bands, the MACD and the RSI, but I think it's just general stock momentum is quite positive. The issue is, will the stock market broaden as recessionary fears subside? If at the next earnings announcements, earnings are upgraded by companies, seriously, watch this space. The US Stocks 50 finished up the day on Friday at 1.5%. The Shanghai Composite closed up 0.79%, and the Nikkei Stock Index in Japan closed up 1.21%. As the AI boom accelerates into the summer months, there are clearly two markets out there. Investors have focused on tech, piling money into the much hyped artificial intelligence trade. The lack of breadth across the market is a concern for investors. But it's not correct to say that investors have soured on the broader market. Okay, after 2022, the rebound is only in a few companies. But I maintain once a clearer picture emerges on the broader economy, and as mentioned, the next earnings season, if expectations are increased, estimates are increased, the broader market, I think, will start to gain. Okay, so this is the influence of the mega cap tech stocks, now named the Magnificent Seven by Bank of America. The group has accounted for an estimated 8.8% of the S&P 500's year-to-date gain of approximately 10%. The Magnificent Seven include Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Amazon, Telstra and Nvidia. Thus, these seven stocks now account for 84% of the NASDAQ 100's $4 trillion growth in the market valuation in 2023. These seven stocks comprise around about 31% of assets under management across the asset management industry, focused on US stocks. Nvidia's rise has contributed 20% of the S&P's gain year to date. The Nvidia stock also reached a milestone last week as it joined the 1 trillion club as measured by market cap. Up on the screen now, there's a couple of tables from BARCHART. So stocks and ETFs to own. So AppFolio, they're a cloud-based solutions software provider for the real estate and legal industries. And also Chase Corp, the group makes insulating semiconductor electrical cables. And also on the ETFs, the focus was on Japan and technology. So also there's the two tables. the leaders and laggers, and also stock surprises. So go over to the blog www.smartest-data.blog, the QR code's on the screen now, and take a look at the affiliate links for online brokers in the comments below. eToro, FX Primus, First Trade, and if you want to like, subscribe to the video and the channel, great, thanks very much. See you in the next video.